What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a couple weeks. Reagan's been on sabbatical. It's been a hard summer for her. We took her. She's taking some time off. Enough said. This week, I think we're gonna throw some turf. We're gonna stripe some turf. Probably gonna seam some turf. What else are we doing, Tim?
Putting green.
Doing the putting green. We're probably gonna do the sand bunker, turf around the sand bunker. Auto cover on the pool's gonna go in. Woo! That's a relief. Probably gonna do a bond beam.
What's the bomb beam, boss?
Bond beam. So stay tuned. Enjoy the show.
So, what's a dad's favorite vegetable?
I have no clue.
Peas and quiet.
I like peas and quiet. Very nice.
Seeing 30, wait, to which one?
To this, the big paper.
The big paper? I'm seeing 40.
40.
Yep.
Okay, we need to go your way.
Yep.
A little bit. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
3. Okay. Check there. Right in the middle, right?
I'm seeing 39 and 1/8.
38 3/4. You're going right to the middle, right?
Yeah.
Let's go a little bit more. We'll do it. That side.
that. Measure to the here too, in case we cut too much of the paper off. Okay. Like I'm hitting 29 at the tip of the. That's perfect.
You're hitting what?
29-ish.
Oh.
Tip of the west now. Like if I cut too much off that paper.
29 1/4, so.
Looks like I did.
All right, today is Flamingo Friday, but it's on Thursday because Thursday's a new Friday, and we've still got to support the Flamingos. So, Tim, tell us what we did today.
So today,
Yes.
you can kind of see a little bit what we did. We laid this inner circle here with the herringbone pattern, looks really good. Put the border in around it between the two circles, and then afterwards dropped in our fire pit. So
Yes, we have this new fire pit by Teco Block. I'm not even sure what the name is. It's called the Lumi fire pit, but it's a concrete fire pit. We got a nice warming trends burner. What about Tim? Take it away. All right, as you can see, we've pretty much laid most of our turf here. I know we haven't gotten a lot of footage of our putting green and our turf. Reagan's been on sabbatical. She's back. Thank Tim, she's back. Anyways, see, we got our striped turf. We cut these pieces in quarters. We took a full roll, cut them 3.5-foot sections, seam them together, and it's going to create a really nice striped look as if you're mowing your lawn or a football field. We've got the putting green, we've got the second fringe we've installed. We've got a slight slope this way and a pretty big hill towards the back, just to create a little bit of a challenging putt. We've got some lighted cups. You see we've got our lighted wire. We're gonna run connected to a transformer. Dude, what was that? Anyways, it's gonna be nice. We're gonna finish cutting these in today. Finish that around the bunker. I think it's a sand bunker, little or a play area for the kids. We're gonna cut some fringe around that bunker, and it's gonna be ready for a golf game. Go, Tim. Woo! You know, Tim, my wife of 8 years is leaving me because she says I'm obsessed with astronomy. And I'm like, what planet are you on? Yeah. All right, hey, thanks for watching the channel this week. It's been an interesting week. It's been me and Tim. We've had some turnover. We've had some good turnover, some bad turnover. We had some really good apple turnover from Tim's wife. It was amazing. Anyways, back to the project. Putting green, turf, pavers, fire pit. water features, the auto cover on the pool got put on. We are getting our way to the end. It's been a long job. It's me and Tim enjoying some apple turnover. Tim, anything to add? We'll wrap this bad boy up.
Stay tuned for a new turnover next week.
Stay tuned. Have a good week.